Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to share Wi-Fi for Hotspot in your iPhone. Let's begin. So, there are instances wherein, you lose access to a Wi-Fi nearby or in your house, or say you have an internet outage, but you're able to keep the mobile connection on your phone. Say, for example, you have a plan that also has, LTE or, mobile connection that you could use. So basically, you can use your phone as a device for others to connect to Wi-Fi. So, how to do that? You can actually go to settings. Okay, from settings you look for the term that has personal hotspot, so just tap on that just below cellular if you see that one. So once you have it, you're on this page for, or you're on the screen rather, for personal hotspot. And then all you need to do is just swipe or tap for allow others to join. And then there's a Wi-Fi password here. Say for example, my Wi-Fi password is tutorial123. So once you already enable this one, guys, when your friends or the nearby devices would look for a Wi-Fi or internet connection, you would be able to see. So it says here, so if you can see below, there's like instructions there. There's like guide. So to connect using Wi-Fi, choose iPhone 2 from the Wi-Fi settings on your computer or other device. So say for example, if there's a device nearby, or maybe like another or a laptop, maybe if you click on Wi-Fi, you will be able to see the name iPhone 2, and then when you click or tap on that one, you would be prompted to put a password, then you put that tutorial123. And that's pretty much how you connect. You could also go to support.apple.com for some instructions. So they will show you the step by step. So pretty much just like what I'm showing you today. So if you like this video, please hit on like. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.